Steal this strategy to take just one event and achieve 6 member retention and member attraction goals. Workshops, seminars, and lunch and learns aren't just about learning. They're one of the most powerful tools your Chamber of Commerce can use to strengthen member value, build community, and show your impact. More than 7,000 chambers of commerce in the US host educational events for their members, but most of these chambers aren't taking full advantage of each event. I'm going to talk about how to use one event to successfully achieve 6 different goals. These goals are to strengthen the relationship with your members, improve communication with your members, building community, engaging your members, communicating the value of your events, and getting sponsors. I will discuss how your chamber can transform every workshop or training session into a powerhouse of member engagement, visibility, and member attraction and retention. If you follow the steps outlined in this video, you will maximize the benefits of your next event. I will even provide you with a checklist to use at your next training session with members. First, we'll discuss how to utilize an in-person training event to foster stronger relationships, enhance communication with your members, and effectively engage them. Assign a staff member to greet each attendee individually and thank them for coming to the event. Your staff member should have a list of attendees, so review their information before the event so that each member can be greeted by name. A cheerful, smiling face can make someone feel welcome. As you greet each member, hand out a printed calendar of the next 3 months of your events, as well as invite them to update their information in the chamber directory. The chamber should have a computer set up at the event venue, accompanied by signage or staff member to help guide your members through the process of updating their directory listing. Provide all attendees with pre-printed name tags to help them get to know each other and to promote their businesses. Name tags facilitate networking and foster communication between members with similar interests. Remind your members at each event that their membership fuels everything that you do. Say thank you, make them feel proud to be part of your chamber. When a new member joins the chamber, assign them a mentor. This could be an ambassador or just a friendly, outgoing, longtime member. Incorporate that mentor personally inviting their mentee, which is the new member, to the event in your marketing campaign. The mentor can greet the new member and sit with them at the event. This connection helps build loyalty and a sense of community from the very beginning. Every in-person event is an opportunity to strengthen each member's relationship with the chamber through interactions. Next, I'll guide you through the steps to amplify your efforts, ensuring as many members as possible attend your event, either in person or watch it later. You've put in the time, you've carefully selected the topic, you planned the workshop, you lined up the speaker, you promoted it, and you're expecting a turnout of about 10 or 15 members. Want to know how to get even more of your members to attend the event? The answer is simple. Stream your training live for those members who can't attend in person and record it for those who can't attend at that specific time. All you need is a cell phone, a tripod, or a steady hand, and a good internet connection. If you have the budget, consider getting a lapel mic for good sound quality. When your training is available for both in-person and virtual viewing, either in real time or later, you make it that much easier for your members to attend the seminar. Some members won't attend events without evidence that it's worth their time. So you're going to need to demonstrate the value of previous events to encourage them to attend future ones. First off, you need amazing speakers who share valuable content. So a little research and calling contacts to find the right speaker is your first step. Next, during an event, assign a staff member to take notes during the event or have someone transcribe the video for you. Create engaging social media posts featuring quotes, practical tips, and memorable photos from the event. You can also incorporate comments or feedback from your attendees into these posts. These social media posts have a twofold benefit. They demonstrate the value of your event to both current and potential members. Schedule a "Here's what you missed" email after the event to all members who didn't attend. This summary email should cover the event's key points, including the speaker's name, the topic, attendance numbers, and main takeaways. This should be a brief yet engaging email. At the end of the email, include a note expressing your hope to see them at the next event, along with the dates and details of the next 2 events. Both post-event marketing strategies highlight the benefits of your event, encouraging members to register for the next one. After the event, you want to keep your attendees engaged and excited about future events. To do this, you'll solicit their opinion. Be sure to tell attendees about the survey before the event ends so they know to look for it. Send a thank you email for attending the event, including a brief survey about the experience. Ask them about the topics they would like to learn about as well. Keep the survey very short, 3 to 5 questions maximum. Set up 2 automated emails that go out to the group of attendees. One that follows up with the attendees who haven't completed the survey in about a day or two, and a second one that thanks attendees for completing the survey and assures them that their feedback is being heard. By asking their input, your members feel like they're part of the decision-making process and are engaging with your chamber. Next, we're going to talk about a simple strategy you can use to obtain sponsors for your events. If your event is successful, you don't have to prove to your attendees that it was worthwhile. They're going to see the value. It's a great time to soft market to them to see if they want to sponsor a future event. Create a small display or a poster that says, "Want to sponsor a future event?" and then have a QR code on it that takes people to your sponsorship info page on your website. You don't always have to ask out loud, but the invitation should always be visible. Add a link to the sponsorship information at the bottom of your survey email as well. This might sound like a lot of work to do for just one event, but it truly is the best possible way to get the most out of your events. In summary, here's how to get the most out of your workshops. Number 1, make the training accessible. 2, share the value on social media and email. 3, use events to build relationships. 4, personally invite new members. 5, gather member feedback. 6, promote sponsorships. And 7, remind your members how they support your chamber. If you can only do a few of these things, that's okay. Just start with what fits your capacity and build from there. Your workshops aren't just events. They're marketing tools, retention strategies, and member engagement opportunities all rolled into one. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your chamber colleagues. And if you want more tips like this in your inbox, join our weekly newsletter made just for chamber professionals. The link is in the description.